Airsoft Addict here, and this is how you disassemble an AK-47. The first thing you should do is click this button right here and open this cover. Then you're going to want to push back on this rod and pull it upwards. Take this part right here out because you can lose that. And then put the gun on semi. Oh yeah, make sure your battery's out while you do this. And you pull this part out. Put it down. Okay. Now you can put the gun back on safe. Okay. So now what you do is you take out those screws on the bottom here. I'll do that right now. Okay, now you take out the screws inside the mag rod. Now the top one. Okay, now that you have all 4 screws out, you're going to take the gun and you're going to separate this part of the gun and this part of the gun. That part of the gun. You do that by pushing it away from each other, like wiggling it out, like that. Okay, now that spring right there, you want to take it out and put it somewhere where you won't lose it, because it's really important for the reassembly. Okay, now that's the gearbox of the gun right there. To get it out, all you need to do is screw off this screw right here. I think it's off here. Give me a sec. Yeah. Okay. Yours won't have washers in it. Mine, I just put washers in mine because my original one fell off and I couldn't find the right screw for it, so I had to get a bigger size. And that's your motor right there. Okay. The final thing you have to do is, okay, sorry, I'm looking for a piece right now. Okay, I'll find it later. But there's a screw right there. There's usually a little cover over it. I'm not sure where I put it though. But you'll want to take that cover off, then you'll find this screw, and you'll unscrew it, like so. then you just get it out. Okay, now these pieces inside are really important, so keep them in order. Like that, and then take this piece out, and this piece out. This one's stuck. Oh, okay, there we go. Then all you do is push the gearbox out. Now these pieces fall off, so be sure you don't lose them. Thank you for watching my video.